Welcome to Binary Bytes, your source for bite-sized tech knowledge. In today's video, we will cover the topics Internet, Intranet and Extranet. Commerce over the Internet and commerce over the extranet, identification and tracking tools in e-commerce, EAN System, EAN Com, article numbering and barcoding. Starting with discussing the Internet, Intranet and Extranet. Firstly, the Internet. The Internet is a global network of networks that connects millions of computers and devices around the world. It enables users to access and share information, communicate with others, and conduct online transactions. The Internet is a public network, which means that anyone can access it as long as they have an Internet connection and appropriate permissions to access certain websites or resources. Next, the Intranet. An intranet is a private network that is used within an organization to share information and resources among employees or members. Intranets are typically used to facilitate internal communication, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. They are accessible only to authorized users within the organization and are often protected by firewalls and other security measures. Next, the extranet. An extranet is a private network that is used to connect an organization with its external partners, such as suppliers, vendors, customers, or other organizations. Extranets are typically used to facilitate business-to-business, B2B, transactions, such as ordering products, sharing information, and collaborating on projects. They are accessible only to authorized users and are often protected by security measures such as passwords and encryption. You can refer to the following chart, which demonstrates the distinctions between the Internet, Intranet, and Extranet. Coming to the topic, commerce over the Internet and commerce over the extranet. Commerce over the Internet, also known as e-commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services through the Internet. It involves conducting transactions online, where buyers and sellers interact through virtual storefronts or online marketplaces. On the other hand, commerce over the extranet involves the use of the Internet to conduct transactions between businesses and their suppliers, customers, or partners. An extranet is a private network that connects different organizations and allows them to share data and collaborate on specific projects. For example, a manufacturer can use an extranet to collaborate with its suppliers and distributors to manage the supply chain efficiently. The manufacturer can access real-time inventory data, place orders, and track shipments, all through the extranet. In summary, while both e-commerce and extranet commerce involve the use of the Internet to conduct transactions, e-commerce focuses on business-to-consumer transactions, while extranet commerce focuses on business-to-business transactions between different organizations. You can refer to this slide to get a detailed overview of e-commerce over the Internet. And you can refer to this slide to get a detailed overview of e-commerce over the extranet. Overall, the summary of e-commerce over the Internet and over the extranet is that e-commerce over the Internet has revolutionized the way people shop, making it possible to buy and sell goods and services from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks, and e-commerce over extranet can be a useful tool for B2B e-commerce transactions, as it provides a secure platform for sharing information and conducting transactions with external partners. Coming to the next topic, identification and tracking tools in e-commerce. Identification and tracking tools in e-commerce refer to software and technologies that help businesses identify and track customer behavior, preferences, and purchases. These tools help businesses gain insights into customer behavior, which can be used to create personalized marketing campaigns and improve customer experience. Some common identification and tracking tools in e-commerce include cookies. Cookies refers to small pieces of data stored on a user's device by a website, which can be used to track user behavior and preferences. Customer relationship management software. It refers to the tools that help businesses manage and analyze customer data, including purchase history, customer feedback, and communication history. Web analytics tools. These tools refer to the tools that help businesses track website traffic and user behavior, including page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. Social media tracking tools. These refer to the tools that help businesses track and analyze social media interactions and mentions related to their brand. Retargeting tools. These refer to the tools that help businesses serve targeted ads to customers who have previously interacted with their brand based on their browsing and purchase history. Inventory tracking. Inventory tracking tools enable e-commerce businesses to monitor their inventory levels in real time, as well as to track sales and order fulfillment. This information can be used to manage inventory efficiently and avoid stockouts. These tools can help businesses personalize the customer experience, improve customer engagement, and increase sales. However, it's important for businesses to use these tools ethically and transparently, with clear privacy policies and opt-out options for customers who do not wish to be tracked. Now coming to the topic, EAN System. In e-commerce, EAN typically refers to the European Article Number, which is also known as International Article Number. It is a standard barcode system used to uniquely identify commercial products, including those sold online. The EAN is a 13-digit barcode that is assigned to each product, and it is used by retailers and manufacturers to manage their inventory and supply chain. It allows businesses to track and manage the movement of goods, from the manufacturer to the warehouse to the point of sale. When a product is sold online, the EAN is often used to match the product with its description and pricing information in the online store's database. This helps to ensure that the correct product is shipped to the customer, and the inventory is accurately tracked. In summary, EAN is a standardized barcode system used in e-commerce to identify and track commercial products throughout the supply chain, from manufacturer to point of sale. Now coming to the topic, EAN-COM. EAN-COM stands for European Article Numbering Communication. EAN-COM is a set of electronic data interchange standards that are widely used in international trade and commerce. EAN-COM is designed to facilitate the exchange of electronic business documents, such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices, between trading partners. EAN-COM was developed by the European Article Numbering Association and is based on the United Nations Electronic Data Interchange for Administration, Commerce and Transport standard. The EAN-COM standard is widely used in Europe and is compatible with other EDI standards used around the world. The EAN-COM standard defines a standardized format for electronic business documents, including the structure, content, and syntax. The standard includes a wide range of message types, such as order messages, invoice messages, and shipping messages, which are used by businesses to exchange information throughout the supply chain. EAN-COM is designed to improve the efficiency and accuracy of electronic business transactions, reduce paperwork, and streamline supply chain operations. The standard is widely used in industries such as retail, healthcare, and manufacturing, where it has been adopted by major companies and organizations to improve their business processes. Now let's see about article numbering. Article numbering, also known as product numbering or SKU, that is stock keeping unit, is a unique identifier assigned to a specific product in an e-commerce store. It helps to track inventory, manage orders, and simplify product management for the online retailers. Each product in an e-commerce store is assigned a unique SKU, which can include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. The SKU can include information such as the product name, color, size, style, and other relevant details that make it easy to identify the product. By using article numbering, e-commerce retailers can easily manage their inventory, track sales, and fulfill orders efficiently. It also helps customers to easily search and locate products on the e-commerce website. Now let's see the concept of barcoding. In e-commerce, barcoding is a method of assigning a unique barcode to each product or item that is sold online. The barcode can be scanned using a barcode scanner or reader to retrieve information about the product, such as its price, name, and other details. Barcoding in e-commerce has several benefits. It helps online retailers to track inventory, manage their stock levels, and fulfill orders efficiently. When a customer places an order online, the barcode is scanned to ensure that the correct product is picked from the warehouse and shipped to the customer. This helps to reduce errors and improve the accuracy of order fulfillment. Barcoding also helps to streamline the process of receiving and restocking inventory. When new inventory is received, it is scanned and the barcode is linked to the relevant product information in the e-commerce platform. This helps to update the inventory levels in real time and ensure that the correct product information is displayed on the e-commerce website. Overall, barcoding is an important tool in e-commerce, helping retailers to improve their efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Take a look at the accompanying image that provides a visual representation of how article numbering and barcoding are implemented in practice. That's all for today's e-commerce lecture. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by liking and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized tech knowledge and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. We will be back soon with more exciting lectures on e-commerce and other tech topics. Till then, keep learning, and we will see you in the next one.